What's up, buddy? Dex, say hello. You ready to go on a trip?
Say yes.
Ready to go to Tennessee?
Say yes.
Yeah?
He likes to make him see himself.
Look at this, buddy. Oh. Yeah, you see yourself now. Say hello.
Say hi.
Say hello.
Hey, why does she look like this?
What's going on, everybody? We are packing up now, getting the last few things to head out. Vacation, family vacation, going to Tennessee. So I am looking forward to getting some good views. It's really pretty up there, up in the mountains and everything. And we're going whitewater rafting, so that's gonna be awesome. So I'll see y'all later. Hey, buddy. You ready to go on a trip? Look, that's you. That's you, Dax. Say hello. Hello. What's going on, y'all? We're at one of our first stops. We've been driving around for probably about 4 hours now. So filling up on gas, and I'm gonna get a little stretching going on because my lower back is really tight sitting in the car, and so I'm about to get that in. See if we can film some, but it's pretty sketch out here, so we'll see. Some park lot lunges.
I was gonna say like a lap around the thing.
Let's go. Do some lunges out here. Oh, so tight. We're at another pit stop, and I can't stop eating. We have all these snacks in the car, and I'm just eating and eating and eating and eating and eating, and it never ends. And pretty much dead set on getting fat on this vacation. It's gonna happen. So might as well not even worry about it. Oh well. Finally in Tennessee. Hey, Cody. Are you from Tennessee?
Am I from Tennessee?
Yeah, because you're the only 10 I see. Grabbing some breakfast here at Cracker Barrel. We are like... Cracker Barrel. We're like 30 minutes from my sister's house, something like that. But we're gonna grab some breakfast and hopefully sleep. I want good sleep. That's all I need. But I'm gonna come in here and kill some eggs. Finally, we made it to Tennessee. Now we gotta unpack everything. Good day, just carrying everything. What's up? Yeah, man. You gonna get in, huh? You gonna get on the tube?
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? Seeing that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until you paint it black. I let it burn your car fire bouquet, but I feel that it will come back. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come I'm your limbo, you're my intermission. Just look at the state we're in. I breathe you in and I can tell where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Oh, where
Already have 0.
oh, where does it come
Lazy man out.
Alright, so kind of relaxed a little bit, played some basketball, or tried to play some basketball. Now I'm gonna go work out. I'm probably gonna cut it short because my lower back is super tight and super sore from deadlifts earlier this week and the 12-hour car ride up here. So probably not gonna be doing any deadlifts or squats today. Just there's no point in going in there and hitting that when I'm already really sore, really tight. So I'm just gonna roll that area out, stretch as much as I can, and then hit a little bit of upper body work. And then I'll be off for 2 days, kind of enjoying my vacation.
Best.
Huh?
Best ice. Beer. Best.
Best? Where? Oh, Milwaukee's best.
Oh,
Look at that. Best. But just cause. That's way too much. Dad wanted a 6-pack of that. Wonder what's lighter, Michelob Light or Michelob Ultra? I'm only human, make mistakes. I'm only human, do what it takes. There you go. Looks legit to me. What's up, everybody? We are up here in the mountains and look how beautiful it is. We're actually at a trout hatchery right now. About to go look at some fish. I could literally live out here and just sit here all day long. It's beautiful. It feels amazing. It's like not. It's probably 70 degrees right now, if that. It's awesome. It's beautiful. What's up, Tinley? Is it cold? I haven't even touched it yet. It's my niece, Tinley. Yeah, this is amazing.
Look at that big one.
Yeah. There's a couple real big ones in there. Rainbow trout. I can't get them on camera, they're too dark. Huh?
What are these? Rainbow trout too, or just trout?
I don't know what those are, but those are the rainbow.
Go, fishies, go!
Tell them, Dax. Tell them go.
Alright.
Oh. Oh. want to get in that little cove right there. It's like a little cove on up the mountain. Some bitch.
Really?
Ow!
Bro.
Ow! Holy hell! Stumped my damn toe. Hurts like hell. That's what I get for wearing sandals when I'm trying to hike up a mountain. Well, like a man. Alright. Here we go. Why's it all the way on my face? There's my face. You ready? I'm gonna come from over here. I didn't think about taking the shirt off. We're here swimming like a fat kid with my shirt on. I'm gonna keep going though. All the way down. Big fall right there. Puppy dog. Whoa. Puppy dog. Okay, I need to stop. I'm over here about to fall off this thing. This is literally like, why is it always on my face? Get away from my face. Better. It's like so amazing out here, it really is. See if we can get underneath the waterfall. Oh, slippery. Slippery, slippery, slippery. Oh man. Just got back from the mountains, hiking and swimming all day. It was a great day. It was really fun. Got a lot of sun, so that's good. I need that. Tomorrow we are going whitewater rafting, so that's gonna be exciting. I don't know exactly the route or whatever it's called. I'll figure it out, but I probably won't see you until then. For the rest of the night, I'm just gonna relax and enjoy some good food. So, see you tomorrow.